Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is October 24th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Right now, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by $4.75 to 25.68 and a quarter per contract. So futures catching a little bit of a bid ahead of the opening bell. You can see the market put in a low right around 4:30 in the morning. That's when the European markets start to open and get ready for trading. So again, our markets are higher here ahead of the opening bell at the moment. But we have lots of stocks in the news. That's where we're going to focus our attention. So again, we're going to take a look here at the leading stocks that have reported earnings. And the first one we're going to take a look at is going to be Caterpillar. Ticker symbol is CAT. Stock is trading at $140.90. Closed at $131.68. So this is a great pop higher for Caterpillar. If you own it, trail the stop loss. See if it can run up to 143, maybe 143 and a half. That's where I'm seeing some turbulence. But until then, the stock has room to run. So again, I wouldn't be a buyer up here. It's a little bit too high on the charts for me, but there's nothing to say this can't go to 143. So ultimately, if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. Let's move on to Triple M. 3M is making another move here as well after earnings. Stock is trading at 227.20, closed at 221.55. So this is another good pop. I do think it's overbought here, though. Very, very overbought. But if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone. But protect the position if you do own it. You don't want to see this thing reverse by some chance here. So again, nice little pop ahead of the opening bell in 3M. And again, we have Caterpillar and 3M both making big moves to the upside, new all-time highs on both equities. Here we have Eli Lilly, LLY is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 89.10, closed at 89.18. So this stock's getting a little bit of a pop too, but there's lots of resistance going all the way up to around the 92.85 level. So again, be aware of that. You got lots of resistance in play. If you own this name, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, just leave it alone for now. Not really much we want to do with it. General Motors is also popping on this news. General Motors reported earnings this morning. Stock is trading at $47. That's up from $45.15 at the close yesterday. So that's a good little pop. This is another equity that is very overbought here at this stage of the game, but getting a good reaction initially to the earnings report. But be careful with these stocks as they are all overbought at this point in time. We have Ryder Systems in play, ticker symbol R. This is trading down a bit, trading at 81.11. This closed at $82.94. All in all, when I look at this name right now, there's not a whole lot I would do with it unless we got down to around 77.75, 77.70. There could be a play there. Keep it on the radar today. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. McDonald's, MCD, reported earnings as well. Stock is trading at 165.60, closed at 163.34. So McDonald's catching a pretty good bid. But again, a lot of resistance all the way up to around 167.50. That's just from the highs that were made about 2 days ago. So again, a lot of resistance in play still for McDonald's. We'll see how it plays out. Here's a gap play for us, WHR Whirlpool. Stock is trading at 164.20, closed at 182.50. So this is a big haircut for Whirlpool. Looks like they lost the ability to sell at Sears stores. So again, that is hurting them as well. I'm going to have levels posted up in the intraday stock chat room for Whirlpool this morning. So again, that will be posted up. Yesterday we had a nice trade posted up in the intraday stock chat room on Seagate. Paid 80 cents in about 10 minutes. So again, we're going to look to do the same here with Whirlpool. So again, gap plays will be posted up right at 9 a.m. Next up, we're going to take a look at Biogen. BIIB is the ticker symbol here. I'm working out levels for this one now. The stock closed at $328.55. Now trading at $320 a share. I have levels ready. But I'm just going to refine them a little bit, and they'll be ready at 9 o'clock in the morning. So again, we will be playing Biogen, which is gapping down this morning ahead of the opening bell. Anytime Biogen is down, you always want to watch the IBB because that could be under some pressure. So keep that on the radar today. Again, Biogen, a major biotech stock in play today after earnings. Let's take a look at Fiat Chrysler, FCAU. I believe they reported earnings. Stock is trading at 17.05, closed at 16.55. So you're definitely upticking a little bit. Fiat is very, very close to new all-time highs. But we'll look at that one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Lockheed Martin, major defense company. Stock is trading at 317, down from 320.73, where it closed yesterday. Again, we're not going to make too much out of this. If Lockheed got down to, say, 305 and 50, 305 level, there would be a play there. Right now, there's not much to do. Next up, we're going to take a look at JetBlue. JBLU is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 1946, closed at 1988. Again, I still think there's a lot of support for JetBlue right around the 1865 level. So if it does get down there, keep that on the radar. There could be a bounce play there. Let's take a good look at Red Hat. RHT is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $120, closed at $122.13 yesterday. So this is a little bit of a haircut, but nothing we would do with it. It's not a big enough move just yet, but we will keep it on the radar for later today. Next up, we want to move over to the gold market. Gold futures trading down $2.10 right now. Gold is trading at $1,278.80 an ounce. We also have crude oil up 35 cents, trading at $52.25 a barrel. So I don't think we're going to do much with either one right now, but we will take a look at it once the opening bell rings. So there we have it. That's our morning wrap up. And again, lots of stocks in play today. So if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2017, great week last week. Started off with a pretty good week this week. And again, we're going to look to keep it going right into the end of the year. So come on over. Take that 7-day free trial. Enjoy what we're seeing right now with all these earnings releases. We've got lots of stocks in play each and every day for about the next 4 or 5 weeks. So again, we will see everybody on the chart, and come on over, take that 7-day free trial. With that being said, everybody have a great day, and we will see you on the charts.